Hello. Just wanted to say Happy New Year to everyone and show you a beautiful antique Victorian corset from part of the Antique Corset Museum collection. It's from the 1880s. It is a French corset, baleen, from the Persephone, IC a la Persephone company, in a beautiful crimson Duchess silk with red silk lace at the top and a beautiful bow. The busk is also stamped IC with a little star. It's got beautiful flossing in black silk, and it's on an original antique corset form that says PC Lady Minto, and this is actually a Canadian corset form. The corset's in brand new condition and was deaccessioned from the New Bedford Whaling Museum collection. I hope you love her as much as we do. Welcome. Here's another Victorian corset from the Antique Corset Museum collection. Quite an unusual and exquisite example in that it has lace laid over the silk with exterior silk bone casings. It's an American corset, very likely an evening corset, possibly a bridal corset, with this beautiful blush pink silk underneath the ecru machine lace over the top, double insertion lace edge trimming on the corset. It's from Birmingham, Connecticut, and it's stamped L. Crawl Co. on it, which may have been a department store, something I need to do some research on. It's a late Victorian corset from the 1880s into the early 1890s. Very fine example. Boned with baleen or steel bones. I hope that you'll join us on January 10th to hear about our Edwardian corsets. It's quite an unusual model with its pale dotted silk fabric and pink brocade flowers, little 4-leaf clovers, 3-leaf clovers embroidered into it, the lace trim, and garters attached with 2 garter grips at the bottom. Beautiful big bow in the front on an original antique corset form. It's from Missouri, made by a corsetier there. Quite a lovely Edwardian, early Edwardian example. Here's an Edwardian Le Diva French corset from about 1903 to 1906, and a beautiful pink and black broche floral brocade fabric. It's cotton. Very beautiful design. with steel bones. Nice black lace trimming and ribbon insertion with this pink fluffy bow. I think Les Diva corsets were the premium brand for Le Ferro Corset Company, which translates to ferret in English, meaning a sheath stealth-like body. Slim. Isn't she beautiful? This is a 1910 corset in a beautiful deep midnight blue silk. Long hip corset with deep bust gussets in the front here, a wide lace band, lacing below the busk, in a very, very soft, supple silk charmeuse, which is quite unusual. Normally you would see these made in Duchess silk or cotton, but this one is in a very slippery, soft silk. Nice bow at the front. It may have had 2 bows and a little busk hook. It's had some alterations on the hip. Maybe it was too big and somebody took it in. She has quite a story to tell for attached garters with the very beautiful ornate garter work on it. She's French, and we would like to talk more about this on our upcoming live stream Edwardian Corset Talk on January 10th. I hope you will join us. The link is in the bio. Have a beautiful day.